Hey guys, today we gonna talk about iPhone 3GS. It is old device but still interesting to know. There's very little difference between the current iPhone 3GS and the previous 3G model, a little disappointing given we were expecting anything from a new iPhone Nano to a matte black model with anti-slip coating and no bezel. The one major upgrade is the new smear-free screen, which we're pleased to see works very well. The internet experience on the iPhone is without par. End of story. Until the likes of Mozilla brings a decent experience with the Fennec mobile browser, we're all going to have to sit back and marvel at how well Apple managed to bring browsing to a mobile phone. The quandary is obvious: how do you put internet sites designed for a larger screen on a tiny one? Mobile sites are, quite frankly, rubbish, and larger sites take a long time to load and are too expansive to view in one go. Many people will be outraged that we call Apple's Safari browser the best when it doesn't bring Flash compatibility, but that is its blessing and its curse in one. Did you know that the older generations of the iPhone had a rubbish 2-megapixel camera? They did, you know. We're talking fuzzy pictures, no flash, therefore a complete absence of nighttime shots, and video being totally out of the question. Apple being Apple, we were convinced that better cameras weren't necessary on a mobile phone, that people carried around point-and-shoot cameras all the time, and that to bung anything else on the phone would result in an ugly device. But we all believed something better was coming. Rumors of a 5-megapixel option with flash and video recording came thick and fast, but in the end we were only given a 3-megapixel upgrade and no flash, albeit with VGA 30fps video recording as well. The iPhone 3GS is a tip-top mobile phone. Its improved functionality is good, but it's certainly not worth upgrading for. However, if you're new to the iPhone market, then choosing between the two should also be a no-brainer. Go for the iPhone 3GS. The faster speeds, better camera and a whole host of other extras will please many, and for that reason it's worth it, although we suggest you think long and hard over whether you need 32GB or just 16GB of internal memory, as there's a bit of a price hike between the two.